As you can see here, I just downloaded Fortnite, and if you want guys to learn exactly how to download Fortnite on your PC or laptop in a few steps, so make sure to watch this video till the end so that you don't make any mistakes in this process. So let's get started, right? So as you can see here guys, if you want to download Fortnite, all you have to do guys is just search on Google for Fortnite. As you can see here, just search for Fortnite and then click enter, and make sure you click the website where it says Fortnite free to play a cross-platform game. So make sure it's the same website. It's the official maker of Fortnite. It says here www.epicgames.com. So make sure to click here, and this is how it looks. This is the official maker of Fortnite. So if you want to download Fortnite, you can see in the top right corner, you can see download. Just click download and then click Epic Games Launcher PC. Okay, just click here, the first option, and then wait for it until it's downloaded. It takes a few seconds. It depends on your internet connection. So after it's downloaded, as you can see here, you wanna click this file here to install. And you want to click install. As you can see here, just click install. And Windows is asking you, do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Just click yes, and then wait for it a few seconds. Now this will pop up, as you can see here, verifying update, and they are going to start downloading the update. It will take a few minutes. It depends on your internet connection. So I will just speed up this video and I will come back to you guys in a few seconds. Now just wait. And if this pops up, you want to click yes, just allow, just click yes. Wait for it. So as you can see here in the very bottom, you can see here Epic. If you have already an account, you can log in, but if you don't, like me, I don't have any account, I will just click sign up, as you can see here at the very bottom. And here you can choose what how you would like to sign up. For example, I'm going to sign up using Google. So I'm going to use my Google account and then click continue. So you want to click allow access here, as you can see here, just click allow access. And here you have to type your information. Make sure to enter display name before you click continue. Just click already taken. Just choose a name. Display name. It doesn't matter what name you put there. Just click continue at the very bottom, and here it will send a code to your Gmail. Okay, just go to your Gmail, search, and as you can see here in the top, this is the code, 831, and then click verify email in the very bottom. And as you can see here, it says preparing Epic Games Launcher. Now as you can see here guys, if you want to download Fortnite, you just want to search here, search store. You want to search for Fortnite. As you can see here, the first result. And then you want to click get, as you can see here, just click get. And then click I have read and agree with the end user license and agreement, and then click accept. Just click place order, as you can see here at the very bottom. And here you have to verify that you are not a robot. This doesn't really make any sense, so I have to select all bicycles and then click verify. Now they have verified that I'm not a robot. So as you can see here in the very bottom right, you can see here ready to install. You want to click install now. You want to click I have read and agree with the end user license and agreement, and then click accept. And here you click browse in the top and click desktop, and then click select folder, and then click install. Okay, so now as you can see here, it says 0, it's installing. It depends on your internet speed, so it may take a few hours or it may take less. Okay, so you'll have to wait. So I will speed up this video and I will come back to you guys soon. After I think like 60 minutes, maybe like 55 minutes, it's downloaded. It depends on internet speed. So it says for me here launch. Just click launch when you when you are done installing it, and then click yes. As you can see here, guys, the game is now opening. So guys, I hope this video helped you. If it does, please, like I said, drop a like and subscribe. See you guys in the next video.